Hello, my superstars. Today, we're going to learn some of the most important words in the world, words that help you grow up to be kind, brave, and amazing. These are called moral values, and they help you make good choices, be a great friend, and shine from the inside out. Let's learn them together, one by one. 1. Kindness, what it means: being nice, gentle, and helpful to others. Why it matters: kindness makes people smile and feel loved. Example: you see a friend drop their pencil and you pick it up and give it to them. That's kindness. 2. Honesty, what it means: telling the truth, even when it's hard. Why it matters: people trust you when you're honest. Example: you broke a toy by mistake and you tell the truth. That's being honest. 3. Respect, what it means: being polite and treating others how you want to be treated. Why it matters: respect makes everyone feel safe and heard. Example: you wait your turn to talk and listen when someone else is speaking. 4. Patience, what it means: waiting calmly without getting upset. Why it matters: good things take time. Example: you wait quietly in line for your turn on the swing. 5. Responsibility, what it means: doing what you are supposed to do without being told. Why it matters: it shows you can be trusted. Example: you clean up your toys after playing without anyone asking. That's responsibility. 6. Gratitude, what it means: feeling thankful for what you have. Why it matters: it helps you stay happy and positive. Example: you say thank you when someone gives you something, even a smile. 7. Courage, what it means: being brave, even when something feels scary. Why it matters: courage helps you try new things. Example: you try a new food or speak on stage, even if your tummy has butterflies. 8. Fairness, what it means: treating everyone the same and taking turns. Why it matters: it helps everyone feel included. Example: you let your friends have the same number of cookies or turns at a game. 9. Generosity, what it means: giving and sharing happily, not because you have to, but because you want to. Why it matters: it makes others feel special and cared for. Example: you share your crayons with a classmate who forgot theirs. 10. Forgiveness, what it means: letting go of hurt and giving someone a second chance. Why it matters: it helps you and others feel free and happy again. Example: a friend says sorry after hurting your feelings and you forgive them. 11. Empathy, what it means: understanding how someone else feels inside. Why it matters: empathy helps you be a good friend. Example: you see someone looking sad and ask, "Are you okay?" 12. Humility, what it means: being proud but not bragging. Why it matters: humble people let others shine too. Example: you win a race but say, "Good job," to your friends too. 13. Loyalty, what it means: sticking by your friends and family, even when things are hard. Why it matters: loyalty builds strong friendships. Example: you cheer for your team even when they lose. 14. Compassion, what it means: caring deeply and helping others when they are hurt or sad. Why it matters: it makes the world a softer place. Example: you help someone who scraped their knee feel better. 15. Perseverance, what it means: not giving up, even when something is tough. Why it matters: it helps you finish what you start. Example: you keep practicing your spelling words until you learn them. 16. Self-control, what it means: thinking before you act, especially when you're upset. Why it matters: it helps you stay calm and make good choices. Example: you feel angry but take a deep breath instead of yelling. 17. Trustworthiness, what it means: being someone others can count on. Why it matters: people feel safe when they trust you. Example: you keep a promise you made to a friend. 18. Sharing, what it means: letting others use or play with your things. Why it matters: sharing makes friends and fun grow. Example: you share your building blocks with your little brother. 19. Listening, what it means: paying attention to someone when they speak. Why it matters: listening shows love and respect. Example: you look at your teacher and listen when she's talking. 20. Kind words, what it means: using nice words that make people feel good. Why it matters: words can help or hurt, Choose the good ones. Example: you tell someone, "You did a great job," or "I'm proud of you." That's it, superstars. These are the top 20 moral values every kid should know. And now you do. You can use these words every day, at school, at home, with your friends, and in your heart.